Okay, I know what it's like when you have this big idea, you've got a million questions, and you don't have any answers. So if you want to find out how to get all of your questions answered 24/7, watch this video. Okay, so you've got this big idea. You're not quite sure what to do, and it's driving you out of your mind because you have all these questions and you need the answers to move to the next step. Well, I have written over 1,000 articles, 1 million words, on this topic of licensing and how to protect your ideas for places like Forbes, Inc., and Entrepreneur. And we brought all that information together, and we have created our first AI assistant bot that's going to help you with any questions you might have. And I'll give you an example. You have this great idea and you don't know how to pitch to a company. All you do is type it in. Let's say you've got a great idea and you're not quite sure how to protect it. Just type it in. You're not quite sure what a PPA is. No big deal. Just type it in. You see, StephenKeyChat.com is going to help you with any questions you could possibly have. And what's really wonderful about this new system, it doesn't matter. You can get this information anytime you need it. So to get all of your inventing and licensing questions answered, go to StephenKeyChat.com.